In this video, I'm going to show you how to add link to thread account profile. Sometimes you want to direct your audience to external link. Maybe you want to direct them to your website, or you want to promote an affiliate link. In this episode, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to add this custom link to your thread account profile. It's pretty simple and easy. On your thread homepage, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile icon and tap on it. On this interface, scroll down till you locate edit profile and tap on this. If you maneuver on this interface, you see name, bio and link. In our case, since we are interested to add link to our thread account profile, we have to tap on this. Then we can proceed to add the custom link that we want to add to. In my case, I've already added this link to it. After that, I'll proceed to tap on confirm. Now the link has been added to my thread account profile. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to check out our next video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.